In Excel, we sometimes want to insert pictures, and what's new with Excel 2010 is the degree to which you can modify pictures. For example, to insert a picture into a spreadsheet, I'd click on the Insert tab in the ribbon, and I'd choose either Picture or Clip Art depending on whether I had the picture or needed to check in the Clip Art gallery. So I might actually go for Picture. If I then go and grab some sample pictures, I might grab a picture to do with a tulip. No, actually penguins, and insert that. I can easily move the picture and easily resize the picture. Now when you click on the picture, you will see an extra tab appear in your ribbon. So when I click on the picture, I'm in the context of being able to format the picture in a variety of ways. Now one of the things you can do, for example, in 2010 only, is remove the background. If I click the Remove Background button, I'm taken to this effect. I'll then resize the frame to try and indicate the bits I do want to keep. So I do want to keep that, and I do want to keep the penguin's feet. Now some of the bits are still going to be wiped out, such as this purple back of this penguin's neck. So I'll actually mark areas to keep by clicking this button. And then I'll click on the areas I want to keep until they're no longer purple. The back of his foot perhaps, and the side of his neck, and the tip of his wing. And that's what I want to keep. So then I'll keep changes by clicking this button here, and it's removed the background. That's the sort of thing you can do in Excel 2010. I might choose undo because I have 100 levels of undo in Excel 2010, unlike Excel 2003, which was 16, and I will discard all changes. The other options you have is to change the correction, and that is to increase the sharpness perhaps, or contrast and brightness, but I'll increase the sharpness. I also have the ability to change the colour of the picture to perhaps grayscale if I know I'm going to print to a black and white printer, or even sepia if I want it to look like an old photograph, but I'll go grayscale. I can also add artistic effects to make it look like I actually drew the picture with a line drawing or with a pencil. I can also apply a number of picture styles such as soft edging, such as reflection, glow, or even a frame. I can change I can crop the picture by hitting the crop button, and I can cut out some of the picture. And just hit crop again. I can set the height and the width to an exact measurement. And finally, I would say I can compress the picture. You really want to compress pictures so that it reduces the file size. So I'll compress the picture, I'll apply it only to this picture, and I'll delete from the picture the cropped out areas, and OK. So the sorts of things you can do in Excel 2010 with regards to pictures is far superior than Excel 2003.